Hi, my name is Dan Cunliffe. I'm the Managing Director of Pangea. And for those of you who have been tuning into these video vlogs, this is the first one of 2016, and it's almost the end of January, so 2016 has already started for everybody. Today and this month we're talking a little bit about strategy, growth, and how we're going to be enabling partners to really get the most out of their M2M and IoT market. We have a little bit of info on a super cool event that we're going to be joining, and we also have a special guest who will be joining us a bit later in the video blog. Firstly, let's talk a little bit about what we're up to for 2016. We've been doing a lot of work on connectivity, and as some of you who would know, we can provide any number of SIM cards across any network and across any amount of data globally. But one of the things we're trying to do, and to really give more and more revenue opportunities to our partner channel, is to create a connected devices side to the business. So connectivity plus devices, and really try and drive the agenda of how you can use this connectivity better. The second or the third part of that is to start to bring in a solution. So what we're calling Pangea Partner Solutions, which is all about whether it's onboard Wi-Fi for a bus, whether you're actually looking at a mobile wide area network, or you're just looking at sort of asset tracking. These sort of things we're able to do in a white label fashion, and for you, the partner, and for our current existing partners, really drive more revenue and margin from the opportunities in this market. The most important part about all of this is the collaboration and the partnership. So we are able to provide these services to our partners on a white label basis, so that they can still continue to provide the control and the relationship, which they're very good at, but obviously with the power of the Pangea services. Partnering is all built on trust, credibility, and the people you know. And one of the people I'd like to introduce is a latest partner who we've done some exceptional work with, some really top-end great stuff. And I'll move over to the interview that we did with them, and you can watch a small snippet. So JP Taylor from Omnia is here to join us. A partnering situation is not just a supplier and customer situation, it's actually working together. And I think that's what's one of the things that we're starting to explore even further in our relationship. Maybe I can ask you one of the questions in terms of how you decide to work with one of your customers. Have you got an example of any good customers you might have brought to work with you, or kind of reason why people chose to work with you, I guess?
Yeah, I suppose to the question about partnering and the ability to work with partners and go to market with partners, I think from my side it is an important component in delivering a dynamic solution and a solution that works, not just from a technology point of view, but from a cost point of view and a commercial point of view.
Costs are important, right?
And I think having looked at the partners out there and service providers out there, kind of from a Pangea point of view and a partnership point of view, there were three key elements that we kind of selected you as a strategic partner, and that the first is from a flexibility perspective, the ability to understand that I have commercial constraints, I have certain constraints in terms of data requirements, SIM card requirements, and working with you, we're able to mold that solution to fit what we're trying to offer. So it makes, from an Omnia point of view, it gives us the ability to go to market and be competitive from the word go.
Thanks, JP. Appreciate your time on that. And for those of you who'd like to see the full interview, that'll be available on our YouTube channel very soon. As I mentioned earlier, we are going to be attending some events, and very excited to say that we'll be at the Mobile World Congress, which is arguably the best event and most important event of the calendar in the mobile space of the year. It's running between 22nd and 25th of February this year. And you are cordially invited to get in touch, whether it is a sales opportunity, whether it's just a collaboration opportunity, or just if you want to catch up while we're out there. Please do get in touch. Feel free to email me directly. As always, we would love to hear from you. We'd love to have you follow us in our world of online and social media. So if you search for us on LinkedIn, please look for Pangea Connecting Everything. On Twitter, we're at Pangea Connected. And of course, one of the newer ones is Periscope, which is also at Pangea Connected. Thanks so much for your time. We look forward to chatting in February after the Mobile World Congress. I'm Dan Cunliffe, Managing Director of Pangea. Thank you.